Hello there, drills are really handy tools, used both at home and professionally. They come in all shapes and forms, and some of them are electrical. It's important to always have a decent drill set at home because sooner or later you will need it. Nowadays, with the advance of technology, electrical drills can do much more than just drill. They can even screw and feature LED lights to make your work easier. Today I would like to show you an interesting model by Mensela. It's called the EDLX1, 21 volts 3-in-1, and it's cordless drill that can also be used as an electrical screwdriver. If you are interested in purchasing, I will leave you the link in the description. Compact in its design, the Mensela cordless drill has a striking red and black appearance and features an LED light to help you to see it at night when you screwing or drilling something. Variable speed features make it super convenient to use, and it also has two detachable 21 volts battery pack with 2000 mAh capacity. This is great addition as you want to have weight for the battery charge. With two different speeds you can choose either 0 to 550 rpm or 1550 rpm to suit the job you want to do. It also can be used in any position with this flexible extension, so you can access screwing jobs anywhere. With 18.3 plus clutch setting and 3 different drill modes such as screwdriver, drill and hammer drill, there is nothing that this clever cordless drill cannot achieve. It employs a mechanism that facilitates the use of tool for drilling into different materials. This drill has a comfortable and adjustable handle, ensuring a perfect grip. If this is not enough, let me tell you what you'll get with the package. The screwdriver itself, a carrying case, a reversible bit, 2 batteries, charger, set of spur point drill bits, twist drill bits, masonry drill bits and hex bits.